Hi everyone, welcome to Zerosack Networks Pvt Limited Learning Center. Today in this video we are going to learn about search campaign and how to create search campaign. So let's get started. About search campaign. A campaign is a set of related ad groups that is often used to organize categories of products or services that you offer. Each campaign is centered on a goal that aligns with the main thing you want to get from your campaign, such as sales or website traffic. You'll need to make at least one campaign before you can create ads in your account. Note, this article only applies to the new Google Ads experience. How search campaign works. Ads are matched to search results pages based on the terms or phrases someone searches. For example, a search on Google for book hotel in Jaipur might show an ad that uses that phrase as a keyword. Search network campaigns are usually focused on getting people to take actions such as clicking your ad or calling your business. These campaigns show ads to people who are actively seeking out information. When someone is intentionally seeking out a product or service like yours, they're much more likely to find your ad helpful, and click it. Search campaign criteria. A search network campaign may be a good option for you if you meet one or more of the following criteria. 1. You want your ads to appear near Google search results. 2. You only want to reach customers searching for your specific product or service. 3. If you also want to reach customers when they visit sites across the web, consider creating a search network campaign with display expansion. Goals for search network campaigns. To create a search network campaign, begin by selecting a goal based on the actions you'd like your customers to take. Your campaign goal will optimize the features and settings in your campaign to help you meet your campaign's marketing objective. The goals to use when creating search network campaigns are: sales, leads, website traffic. Keep in mind that all campaign settings and features will be available to you despite what goal you choose, and you can always change, or choose not to use a goal. Now follow the instruction to create search campaign. Sign into your Google Ads account. From the page menu on the left, click Campaigns. Click the plus button, then select New Campaign. Select one or more goals for your campaign, or if none of the goals fit what you're looking for, select Create a Campaign without a goals guidance. Select a campaign type. Now you may enter your website URL, phone number, and app URL to get result for these. It's mean if you want to get website traffic, or call on your mobile, or downloads for your app, then select one of these, otherwise you can left uncheck. This is new feature that provide all type of goals in single campaign. Now click Continue. There are 3 main steps to complete your campaign. The first one is campaign setting, second one is set up ad group, and the third one is create ads. Now you are in campaign settings. Adjust your campaign settings to help you tailor your campaign. The campaign settings you select will apply to all ads within the same campaign. The type of campaign you choose determines which settings are available to you. Now enter campaign name. This is where you enter a name for your campaign. Although Google Ads enters a default campaign name for you, you should choose a name that clearly describes the theme of the campaign so that you can easily find it in your account. Your campaign name isn't visible to your customers. Now select Network. The network setting indicates where you want your ad to appear based upon the campaign type you chose. For example, with the Google Search Network, your ad can appear on Google search sites and non-Google search sites that partner with Google to show search ads, called search partners. With the Google Display Network, your ad shows on other sites that partner with Google to show ads. Now select Locations. Your campaign's ads are eligible to show to customers in your targeted geographic locations. Now enter languages. Customers who have selected your targeted language as their browser's language setting. We recommend choosing the language you serve your customers in. Now enter your daily budget. Your budget is the average amount you're comfortable spending each day on your campaign. The budget you choose is entirely up to you, and you can adjust it at any time. Now enter your bidding. Choose to manually set your bids for clicks on your ads or let Google Ads do it for you. Depending on your campaign type, you may see additional bidding options to choose from. Your bid strategy controls how you pay for users to interact with your ads. Your bid limit is the most you'll pay per click for ads in an ad group. Now it's done, you have filled the basic information of campaign. Following settings are the campaign schedule, ad extension, and additional settings that you can use as per your requirement. You must use ad extension for campaign to give more exposure and detail to your ad. In upcoming lectures I am going to explain you detailed information of type of ad extensions and how to create them with example. Now click to save and continue. Now set up ad group. You all know that a campaign contain one or more ad group and every ad group contain multiple ads. So create ad group based on your keywords theme. For example, creating ad group around website development company theme. So firstly enter your ad group name. Then enter keywords related to website development company theme. Keep in mind you should use only 15 to 20 keywords in each ad group. You can take keywords idea related to your services and product theme by using Google Ads Keyword Planner or get keyword ideas from right-hand side. Put keywords using different type of match types, like broad match, phrase match, exact match. That match type control which search term trigger your ad. If you want to learn more about different type of keyword match type with example, you can read our article link in description. Now click save and continue. Now create ads in ad group. It's recommended to create at least 3 ads in one ad group, which are closely related to your theme of keywords. Let's begin to create ad. Click to new ad. Enter the URL of your website. You can take some ads idea from clicking on example ad button. Now enter headline 1 and headline 2. Some of URL parameter related to your service. And finally description. You can see your ad preview in right-hand side, for mobile, and desktop. Click Done. And make some more ads by clicking New Ad, or Copy button in your previously created ad. And at the final click Save and Continue. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. In last confirmation section you can see your campaign summary. And click to continue to campaign. You can see your campaign performance in campaign overview section. And if you want to make some adjustment you can do by clicking to editing the campaign settings. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt and queries please post your comment, we will definitely solve your queries. Please share and subscribe our channel to support our work. Till then be happy and be safe.